welcome to Programming Talks. Well, today we are going to learn from what Donald Knuth said about life to be like a programmer, which is everyday life is like programming, I guess. If you love something, you can put beauty into it. Yeah, that's totally true, because let us see a practical example. When it comes to me, when someone asks me to do something that I don't want to do, it usually ends up a mess. Like, I'll do some mess here and there if I don't like to do it. They'll always scold me to do the thing better if that's the case. The thing is, if you like it, you do it better. If you don't like it, no matter whoever says you to do something, you'll never do it with your complete heart. That is what here Donald Knuth actually saying about programming. If you love something, you can put beauty into it. If you love programming, you can develop a good software which is really good looking and which is actually solves the real world problems, and that makes sense. You can do something that is interesting. You can develop something that is really interesting and that looks really cool. Like, you'll go to that peak of effort, and yeah, you'll think in that way only when you love something, only when you love to do it. So there are many people who want to learn programming, who want to give their best in programming, but they give up after going through some programming concepts, thinking that it is really difficult to become a programmer. It's like a rocket science to become a developer. It's really hard to get a software job if I don't do it. Maybe some external factors. External factors are those which actually, you will actually find a reason to stop doing that thing. Like when you're learning programming, you'll have a lot of distractions here and there in your room or in your environment. Like, you don't want to learn it anymore. Maybe because of that. External factors are those kind of stuff. And the other reason may be people's suggestions who don't like programming. Like when it comes to people, after seeing some successful developers, after seeing those successful developers' career, people will love to learn programming because of them. They'll start learning programming, and after going through some chapters of basics of programming, they'll be thinking that it's really tough. What they do is they'll share this feedback to each and everyone, and this really reduces the interest of the people who want to learn programming, who are so excited to do something with programming, and after listening to these people's suggestions, they'll stop doing that thing. The thing is, if you love something, just do it, okay? Don't think about the success and failures of that in the beginning itself. Just give your 100% effort to complete it, right? If you love that, yeah, give your 100% effort and do as best as you can. Don't expect anything in return as a result. Just focus on the journey, just focus on the way you're learning, and try to improve yourself better every single day. One day you will become a developer. Persistence is the key. If you keep on doing the same thing again and again and again, at one stage you'll start understanding that how that thing exactly works, how is that going to, how we are going to do that, and how we can do that better. So if you want to become a developer, no matter how hard it looks, you will need to challenge yourself to achieve it because you love it, right? If you focus on those annoying external factors and those annoying people, you will never become a developer, and you will never achieve your dreams. And never forget that. I hope you learned something new here from this great developer Donald Knuth. He said everyday life is like programming, I guess. If you love something, you can put beauty into it. Just put beauty into the programming if you love programming, if you want to become a software developer. Never ever leave your dreams thinking about all these things. Just do it. Learn if you are doing any errors and try to solve them, and try to improve yourself every single day from basics to a pro, okay? I hope you learned something new from this Donald Knuth. I'll be back with one more interesting programming talk video with one more popular, interesting developer. And yeah, if you like the video, then hit that cute little like button and hit that red button over there. There will be a red button, subscribe button. You can just go there and tap there if you wanna get updates from us. See you in the next video.